Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come on really quick and just give you guys a quick update. So today is January 11th, 2022. If I haven't said Happy New Year to you all, I want to say it now. But I wanted to let you guys know that we have finally made it to closing day. So we are right now at the bank. My husband just went in to get our cashier's check, and we will be heading to the attorney's office to close on our second new home. So we are actually closing on a new construction home. We started this process back in August, and now it is finally coming to fruition. So right now it's about 10:08, and our appointment is at 11 a.m. So we are, like I said, at the bank, and we are next heading over to the attorney's office. If I can get any footage of that, I will, and it will be in this video. Right after closing, we plan to head straight over to the house. My husband and I drove two separate cars, so he has his truck filled with things, I have my car filled with things, and I also have my mom that's gonna come over a little later on to help us, you know, do a little bit of cleaning and unpacking. But yeah, I plan on trying to get a little bit of footage for you all at the attorney's office. But if not, the next time you guys will see me, we will have closed on the house, and we'll try to get you guys a empty house tour today. If not today, it'll be a semi-empty house tour the following day. So I just want to check in with you all, say hello, let you guys know what we have going on today.
It should be quick.
Right.
What she said.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am giving you guys a empty house tour, and we already do have a few things that is currently in the house, but we want to go ahead and get this out the way so that we can start moving stuff in. So first, I want to let you guys know that this is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. It's a little over 3,000 square feet. So to start off, I want to start with, I'm currently in the foyer. So this is what you see when you come through the front door. And then over here, this is our first bedroom, but we are using it as an office. And this is what it looks like. We have the LVP throughout the whole bottom level. And we have 2 windows. And over to this side, we have our walk-in closet. This is gonna be where I will put all of my YouTube stuff, my Cricut and such over here. And so we're gonna come back out. So next I'm going to show you guys the guest bathroom, which is the downstairs bathroom outside of the office. The cameraman did not get this footage for you all, so I wanted to make sure I showed you guys what it looked like. And outside of that is our kitchen, and we have quartz countertops, and we also have a gas range in this area. We are changing out the faucets and all of the handle pulls that's currently in the house right now. This kitchen also includes speakers for playing music, and we also have recessed lighting throughout the entire space. Right next to the kitchen, we have our dining room that has this beautiful coffered ceiling, and it has 2 windows for lighting in this area. Right next to the kitchen, we also have our pantry. This pantry is a little smaller, but I like that the shelves are deep. So this will be great for the things that we need it for, and a little bit of extra storage will be down here for maybe like snacks or something like that. So that is it. Come on around this side. We're gonna take you guys upstairs really quick. If you guys don't know, well, I know I haven't mentioned it, but these are Galveston oak floors, and we did get them throughout the entire home. Now we are going to head upstairs, and we are in our loft, which I love so much. Will be where we are going to probably get a L-shaped couch, kind of like we had in our last home. I felt like we got a lot of use out of that area. This is where we'll be lounging along with having movie night. And so I know this area is gonna get a lot of use. And right outside of the loft is my husband's office, which is the 4th bedroom. This is what that looks like. We're gonna have his desk and everything for him to work and do his business. And then we have this closet, which is not really a walk-in closet, but we're gonna use this for storage as far as like my Christmas and Thanksgiving decorations and any kind of extra things that we may need to store. Maybe like my pillows, when I change those out as well. Right next to my husband's office is going to be my daughter's room. She did get one of the smaller rooms, but it's still a very good size for her because she will be spending the majority of her time on campus. So this is my daughter's room. And when she comes, if she needs to do any type of work, we'll have a desk for her, and her bed will probably be here. And this is her walk-in closet. And that's what that looks like. Our builder builds the new construction homes that they build are smart homes. So we have a lot of things that we can do to kind of integrate things into our phones where we don't have to physically turn off switches and things like that. So I am super happy about that. So we will be doing some things to make it easier for us and to allow people to come over without us being here if that is something that we choose to do in the future. Outside of my daughter's room is our laundry room. So this laundry room is a little bit different than I've seen. So we're gonna have the washer on this side, and then directly across on the other side is the dryer. So I plan to do something really nice in this room, so stay tuned so that you guys can see that. And further down this hallway is my son's room. He has a bigger room than my daughter, which, like I said, she is okay with that. This is gonna be his room. He has 2 windows, and he is a gamer, so we wanted to make sure that he had enough space to sleep as well as be able to play his Fortnite and different things like that. And he also has a walk-in closet as well. Okay, outside of my son's room, come back in the hallway, and this is their bathroom. Again, we have the quartz countertops, and we have the Galveston Oak LVP in all of the bathrooms along with the laundry room. And this looks just like the one that's downstairs, and this is their bath shower combination. Back across through the loft, we are going to go to the master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom. We have the closet ceilings along with a ceiling fan so we can stay cool, 2 windows. And this is our space in the master bedroom. Over on the right-hand side, this is my closet. If you guys have seen my previous video, then you know that I got my husband to redo my closet for me, and we did a lot with a very small space. But this closet is absolutely huge, And we are gonna do some type of closet system in here, but that's gonna be something that we're gonna do down the line. So this is my closet. I'm probably gonna have my vanity on this side of the room, and I'll take the shelves probably that's on the top down because I have so much space. I don't really need those shelves, but we will see, so make sure that you guys stay tuned for that. So we don't have to share closets anymore, and I don't have to make him go and put any of his things in my son's room. So this is his closet, and I think this is more than enough space for him. He'll be able to put all of his things and won't have to really worry about me throwing any of his things away. I'm going to show you guys our master bathroom. So this is the master bathroom. As you can see, we still have the LVP Galveston oak floors along with the quartz countertops, the his and her sinks. Like I said before, we do plan on changing these out eventually. I think we're going to keep the mirrors because I really like them as they are, and we will probably eventually down the line change the fixtures in the entire house as well. It has a lot more storage space. As you guys know, I do a lot of hair videos, so I have a lot more space for my things. Over on the right hand side, we have our water closet, which also contains our only linen closet. So this is what the linen closet looks like. It looks kind of the same as the pantry. That is fine for me because we don't need that many towels. I plan on doing something in my kids' bathroom just to make sure that they have their towels accessible to them, and then I'll have any extras here, and as well as being able to store any extra items that I'll need for upstairs. Over to the left-hand side of the master bathroom, we have our bathtub and shower combination. We did not do any upgrades to this through the builder because, you know, I like to choose my own things. So we do plan to probably get some tile work done in here. We don't know exactly what colors we're gonna go with. Not sure if we're going to get a standalone tub or not, but stay tuned for that just in case I do that. You guys will see any type of upgrades we do. And this is the shower door that we have right now, but this is also something that we will probably change and have just a seamless glass door like we had in our last house. So stay tuned for that. We are waiting for one of the project managers to come in and add our kind of like our thing that will hold the soap and whatnots over here. So they are supposed to come back sometime today, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of our backyard. So there is still currently a lot of construction going on in my area. So this is our outdoor patio space. So it is covered, which I really like because we did have a pergola at our last home. So it was nice that this house already came with the covered patio, and we have a ceiling fan here. So we will be using that as well. We do plan on fencing in our backyard, but we're not sure exactly when we will do that. But stay tuned for that process as well. And I forgot to mention that this house also does come with an irrigation system already built in for watering your lawn. So guys, this concludes my empty house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys come back to see all the changes that we make in this home. And if you guys enjoyed this video, if you like the content and you like where the direction of my channel is going, just consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and come back for the next videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.